Hello everyone, this is Catherine for our monthly unboxing, and this is our, I won't show you our address, but this is, and there's 20% off, so we get 20% off every last Wednesday of the month. First of all, we got dinosaurs.
Oh wow, looks like they're the revised ones.
Yep, they do look like the revised ones.
Let's see. Yeah, they are.
More colors.
Oh, they're
Stuff like
nice.
that.
They're nice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
In this big box. And this month we got new diapers that we have not even tried yet. And here's middies.
There.
See,
It should be opening this side.
Yes. Okay.
It'd make it easier, you know.
Yeah, it would be easier.
So we didn't want to open these before off camera. We want to,
because there's new diapers.
I know most people will do all this beforehand, but we want you guys to share it with us. And
Yeah. We like unboxing every month to share what we have.
these.
These are in control. These are pull-ups.
Show them.
These are in control diapers.
These are the pull-ups, and has Catherine's favorite things, designs on them. Butterflies.
Butterflies, yes.
And what size is that?
It's a Felicity. These are large.
And does it say how much they hold?
2,800 mils.
Okay. Can you turn around and take one out maybe to show everybody?
Yep. Okay. This is what they look like. They're tall.
And can you
And don't really have, well, they have a smell, but it's not really like,
okay.
and that's the absorbing.
Okay. And what's interesting is they even have the design inside the diaper itself. So this is not like most.
Not rears.
Huh?
This is not rears.
All rears sell them, but it's
They're not-
it's the In Control. It's their sister company, even though they say it's a separate company.
Yeah.
The
Felicity incontinence.
yeah. The leak. Dear, can you hold this? Okay. The leak guards. Let's see. Oh. So the leak guards Looks to be pretty good, as you can see. These aren't like these medical ones that are no good. It's just a pad and all that. Yeah, you can rip them from the sides if you look at them.
Yeah, if you need to.
So what's interesting is it's actually on the diaper itself. It's not just like a small pad attached to something that is cloth. Even though it is in a way, but it's not. This is a really well-made absorbent pull-up. Over the top, but you know what? If you want a good product, that's what you gotta do. Is show that you're the best of the best. And kudos on that for In Control to do that.
And those were $30 in the bag, and you get 20.
Yep. So let's look at the absorbency covering. So they have, yeah.
They have their usual purple thing.
Yeah. To basically absorb more. There's no actual pattern here to direct any of the fluids or anything. But again, it is very, very well made. It's not gonna come apart very easily. Will it leak? The way they're made, if you're sitting a certain way, it may leak. There's the elastics here, but there's nothing here to really give it that extra extra protection, just like the diapers have. But from what I can see, they're very soft and looks to be very well made.
And they definitely feel better than like Katana or other pull-ups.
These would definitely take a lot more than Tena pull-ups or Depend pull-ups or whatever.
Yeah.
But again, could these leak? Most definitely, they could leak. They could make, like with elastics around the legs, they could improve it by putting leak guards alongside as well to make sure that there's just that extra protection. That would be perfect.
Yeah. Don't eat the box.
So, you said these are $30?
Yeah. There's 20 in them.
Yeah. And this is cloth. It's not PE. It's cloth. But the pad itself is PE there. And again, it has hearts and butterfly and dragonflies for the pattern. And yeah, really nice. Anyways, you probably didn't catch that on camera, so thank God. Yeah, and they work good for a hat. Anyways.
Chef's hat.
Yeah, chef's hat. Anyways, get the kitty cat, did you? Yeah, from what I can see right now, they're good. We'll let you know if
How actually good they are.
how actually they work, how good they work.
We'll show you them on.
And I mean, most of the ABDL community knows that mindlessly diapered got backlash from rears and from the In Control part of their companies. And you know, the only thing I can say is this: either you want a honest and complete review so that you can become better, or you just want someone to kiss your ass. Well, that's not going to happen. Not with me, not with Catherine. We will say honestly what and where and what these are good for. And if you don't like it, too bad. We can't learn from what people say and have actual bladder control or issues like my wife does, and we're just giving off practical advice about how these could be probably made better, especially for the guarding of the leak guards. But if we have any issues with these or whatever, we'll let you know. If any of you have tried these in the past, just remember, these are the new ones that they brought out. The older ones that they were selling, they took them back to the drawing board and revised them. We didn't get to try out the last ones that they had, but we have had the opportunity to get these ones. So we'll let you know what these ones are like. Thanks for this area. Okay, and back to my lovely queen instead of my ugly face. Here you go.
We got new diapers.
Tie-dye.
Tie-dye. North Shore Mega Maps.
Okay, so these are made by North Shore.
Yeah.
Cool. Now, North Shore also sells city diapers as well.
Which we do like.
But they are not cheap. They're like almost $50 a bag.
There's 10 in this bag.
What are they rated for?
They don't have absorbency thing.
Oh, they don't? Yeah, that's never a good sign.
I open them and show you one of them.
Yeah. North Shore. If